Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. First of all, if you are really interested to earn money online, this video is for you, where I will share very interesting methods in this video related to affiliate marketing, and you can easily earn $100 per day if you apply this method which I will share in this video. I will take you to my screen as well, and you can even join ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon, but for Amazon's commissions are too less, so you can go for Digistore24 or ClickBank or any other network. Which network pay more commissions to you. So in this video I will talk about each and everything. Make sure to watch this video complete. So before starting the video, I want to say something like many people watching my videos, free videos. I created a playlist about Fiverr, affiliates and Digistore24, and there are many people who watch my playlist and they are really earning good amount, and they message me on Instagram digital.helping. So that is actually whenever my subscriber earns even $50, I really feel so happy that I am very blessed to help someone and give skills and methods to someone, free methods I share. So in this video I will talk about Digistore24. So I will definitely discuss each and everything. So let's move to the screen, so I will tell you how you can do this. Guys, you will select the platform like Digistore24 or any network. So after that you will click over here on register now, and you will simply log in with your simple details. And after that, whenever you create your account within 5 minutes after completing this detail like username, email, password, title or name, company address, country, phone number, Skype ID. This is Skype ID is so simple, you can create within 5 minutes. And after that you will click on the login and you will get the dashboard like marketplace. You will click over there and you will find a lot of categories over here that you can promote for your affiliate offers, right? So over here we will select some offer, like I will definitely click randomly I will click over here. And after that you can see I have seen, and you can even seen this plan like 90% commission, ketogenic diet, $11 per sale. It means if you promote this offer and sell this product, so you will definitely get $11, right? So here this is the affiliate, click here for affiliate tools. So I will click over here for affiliate tools. So here it will guide you that which type of product is this, and how you can assume this product. And after that you can simply promote via email or via emails or email marketing or different methods. So here in this video I will discuss a different method with you. So first of all, let's suppose we will select some product from here. So 90% commission, ketogenic diet. I will simply copy the title from here and I will go to the Google, and then I will paste this title over here. So here you can see a lot of websites appearing over here, blogs appearing over here related to keto diet, but you will not copy any article from here. You will go to the search bar and then you will click on the 4th page, and then we will select, and I will click over here this randomly on this website, and we will see over here the article. We will copy the article and we will simply spin this article with same title and description as well. I mean the whole article I am going to copy from here, and then I will copy from here the article. Then I will go to the Google, I will click over here, write spin board. I will click enter, and after that I will go to this website and I will paste this article over here. Make sure to watch this video complete because the next method is coming. So after that you will go to the basic spin and it will return your article, so it will be plagiarism free, right? So we will not use the copy article for this method. We will definitely select a unique article for this. I will copy the article from here, simply copy, and then the method, and the second method you can use for this to go to the chat GPT, which is very famous in these days. Even you can know that. So we will even select product name from here, and after that I will copy the title from here, and then I will go to the chat GPT and I will write over here like write a blog of 500 words over here, and I will paste the title over here with commas and colons. Okay, and after that I will give the command. I have given the command and it will generate us for the unique article within a few seconds in front of you. So both methods I have shown, and now the method I will show you in this video, that how you will promote your affiliate offers and put your affiliate links. The powerful method in these days are videos. So let's suppose I will click over here on TikTok. Here you can see you can simply make slides video for keto diet, and simply you will put the text over here which you have already generated from here and even from spin article. Okay, so after that the piece of content you will give the little valuable information to users, and they will curious to understand more about your product, and they will click on your affiliate link, and whenever the person will interested in your product, definitely he or she will buy it. Okay, so let's suppose I am click over here, and after that the second method is the third and fourth. Actually, whenever you create your TikTok video like this, because TikTok is very advanced in these days, and your slides go viral within a few hours if you are really dedicated to work online. So you will simply post and paste your landing page link in the comments. How you will create your landing page, show you in this video as well. And the second method is the second platform is YouTube for shorts, and definitely you will get thousands and thousands of traffic from tier 1 countries if you apply this method for shorts, right? How you will create shorts, I will tell you, don't worry. So guys, after that we will see over here that easy keto dinner under 20 minutes. So I will click over here, and after that you can see the description where the link is available for maybe for blog use. So you will put your landing page link over here, and whenever the user will come to the landing page, it will click over here, and after that it will go to your landing page and click on your affiliate link, right? Because you cannot promote direct affiliate links to any other platform, so there are very much chances to get blocked. But I sometimes I use direct affiliate links, but I will not recommend you to do this. So you will need to create your free landing page for this. So after that you can easily create your free landing page for your affiliate marketing. How you can create your landing page? Simply you will go to the Google and you will write over here Google Sites. Google Sites is absolutely free. You will click over here, and after that you will click on the blank. Simply you will click on the blank and it will appear this type of page in front of you. After that you can create as much as beautiful this page and put your title, description or meta title or simple, or there are many things you can do over here, and then you will paste your affiliate link over here, and then you will click over the publish. That is super simple. I have made a lot of video on that. So the process is going to be 5 to 10 minutes long if I do this. So the purpose of this video is to tell you the exact method. So let's suppose guys, for example, for you I am going to copy the article from here, or you can copy the article from Spinboard as well, which we have generated from created from Google and the Spin. But here you can see I'm going to copy this article from ChatGPT, and then I will paste this article here. So this is very example article, very simple article. You will make your article as much beautiful as you can, right? So I'm going to click over here, paste. The article has been generated. Then you will select any paragraph and you will click over here and you will put your affiliate link which you will get from Digistore24. You will click over here on promote now, and definitely you will just need to go here and put your affiliate link over here and click on the apply and click on the publish, right? And simply you can promote your landing from through YouTube with short videos, and the first one is TikTok and the second one is YouTube. So definitely you will get high traffic for your free landing page, and you will get sales, a lot of sales, right? So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments. I will definitely answer you. And if you are new on my channel, make sure to subscribe it. If you don't know about what is affiliate marketing, you can check Digistore24 playlist or even Fiverr affiliates playlist as well, so you know that what is affiliate marketing is. So till now, take care and goodbye.